Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay energetic, active, and healthy well into their later years, while others struggle with fatigue, inflammation, and chronic health problems? What if the answer wasn't hidden inside an expensive supplement or a miracle treatment, but inside your own body? Imagine having a natural system that works around the clock, quietly repairing damage, removing worn-out cells, and helping your body stay in balance. The incredible part is that this system already exists. The question is, are you giving it the chance to do its job? Today, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern health science. Researchers have been studying a natural process called autophagy, a word that literally means self-eating. Now, don't let that name scare you. It doesn't mean your body is harming itself. Instead, it refers to your body's remarkable ability to identify old, damaged, or unnecessary cellular material, break it down, and recycle it into useful building blocks. Think of it as your body's own housekeeping service, working behind the scenes every single day. Imagine your home if you never threw anything away. Old furniture, broken appliances, and piles of junk would slowly fill every room until there was hardly any space left. Eventually, even the best house would become difficult to live in. Your cells face a similar challenge. Every day, normal metabolism, environmental toxins, stress, and aging create damaged proteins and worn-out cell parts. If these are allowed to accumulate, cells may not function as efficiently as they should. This is where autophagy becomes so important. It helps cells clean out unnecessary material and recycle useful components. Scientists believe this process plays an important role in maintaining healthy cellular function and supporting normal aging. While research into autophagy is exciting, it's important to understand that it is not a proven cure for diseases, nor does activating it guarantee protection from illness. Instead, it is one of many natural biological processes that contribute to overall health. For decades, researchers thought this process was relatively unimportant. But over the years, scientific studies revealed just how essential it is for normal cell maintenance. In fact, discoveries about autophagy became so significant that they earned worldwide recognition within the scientific community. Today, researchers continue studying how this process may be connected to healthy aging, metabolism, immune function, and brain health. Although much remains to be learned, one thing is clear: healthy cells depend on effective maintenance. Here's something that may surprise you. Your body doesn't spend all of its energy repairing itself when it's constantly busy digesting food. Digestion is a demanding process that requires significant energy and resources. During periods when food is not constantly entering the body, certain maintenance pathways may become more active. This is one reason why scientists have become interested in the relationship between meal timing and cellular repair mechanisms. But before you think this means skipping meals or starving yourself, let's be very clear. Extreme fasting is not the answer, and it can actually be harmful. Your body needs nutrients, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates to function properly. Healthy living is never about punishment or deprivation. Instead, it's about finding balanced habits that support your body's natural systems. Another important point is that there is no single food, drink, or supplement that can magically switch on perfect health overnight. If someone promises a miracle solution that will instantly eat away all diseases, be cautious. Real health is built through consistent daily habits, not shortcuts. Scientific evidence supports lifestyle choices such as regular physical activity, adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, stress management, and maintaining a healthy weight as important factors for long-term well-being. As we continue through this video, you'll discover practical, science-informed habits that may help support your body's natural repair processes safely and realistically. These aren't expensive hacks or secret formulas. They're simple strategies that many people can incorporate into everyday life with appropriate guidance. And here's the exciting part. One small change in the timing of your daily routine may encourage your body to spend more time focusing on maintenance instead of constant digestion. It doesn't require buying special products or following impossible diets. It simply requires understanding how your body naturally works and learning to work with it instead of against it. So stay with me until the very end, because the habit we'll discuss next might be one of the easiest changes you can make to support your overall health. It won't promise miracles, but it could help your body do what it does. Now that you know what autophagy is, the next question is simple: how can you naturally support this process? The good news is that you don't need expensive supplements or trendy detox products. In fact, many of the habits that may encourage healthy cellular maintenance are the same habits doctors have recommended for years to improve overall health. One of the most talked about approaches is giving your body regular breaks from eating. Every time you eat, your body focuses much of its energy on digesting, absorbing, and storing nutrients. During longer periods without food, your metabolism gradually shifts toward using stored energy, and research suggests that cellular recycling processes such as autophagy may become more active. This is one reason intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating have gained so much attention in recent years. However, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. Scientists are still studying exactly how different fasting schedules affect humans. Much of the strongest evidence comes from laboratory and animal studies, while human research is still evolving. That means fasting should be viewed as one possible tool for supporting health, not as a guaranteed treatment or cure for disease. If your healthcare provider says it's safe for you, a simple eating schedule such as finishing dinner earlier in the evening and avoiding late-night snacks may be easier to maintain than extreme fasting plans. The goal isn't to starve yourself. Your body still needs enough calories and nutrients every day to function properly. Extreme fasting can lead to fatigue, dizziness, nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and other health problems. Another powerful way to support your body's natural repair systems is through regular physical activity. Exercise challenges your muscles and cardiovascular system in healthy ways, encouraging your body to adapt and become stronger over time. Walking, cycling, swimming, strength training, yoga, or even dancing can all contribute to better overall health. Research also suggests that regular exercise may influence cellular maintenance pathways, making movement one of the best investments you can make in your future health. Sleep is equally important, yet many people overlook it. While you're sleeping, your body carries out many repair processes that are difficult to perform during busy daytime hours. Poor sleep has been linked with inflammation, weaker immune function, hormone imbalance, and reduced metabolic health. Most adults benefit from 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Creating a consistent bedtime routine, limiting screen time before bed, and sleeping in a cool, dark room can improve sleep quality. Nutrition also plays a major role. Instead of searching for a single superfood, focus on eating a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods. Colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, beans, whole grains, nuts, seeds, healthy fats, and lean sources of protein provide the vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants your cells need. These nutrients help support normal cellular function and protect the body from everyday oxidative stress. Hydration is another simple habit that should never be ignored. Every cell in your body depends on water to carry nutrients, remove waste products, regulate temperature, and support countless chemical reactions. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your body function efficiently, although water alone does not activate autophagy or cure illnesses. Stress management deserves attention as well. Short-term stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can negatively affect many body systems. Deep breathing, meditation, spending time outdoors, connecting with loved ones, engaging in hobbies, and practicing gratitude are simple ways to help reduce stress levels and support both mental and physical health. One important warning: not everyone should try intermittent fasting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, people with eating disorders, individuals who are underweight, those with certain chronic illnesses, and people taking medications such as insulin should always speak with a healthcare professional before changing their eating schedule. Personalized medical advice is always safer than following trends online. Remember, the goal isn't to force your body into repair mode through extreme measures. The goal is to create healthy daily habits that allow your body's natural systems to work as they were designed. Small, sustainable changes are almost always more effective than dramatic short-term diets. In the final part of this video, We'll bring everything together and reveal the simple daily mindset that can help you support your body's incredible ability to maintain itself for years to come.